So my mom makes Aam Panna popsicles at least once or twice every year during this season. So I thought it'll be a great idea to make it with her this year and also share these refreshing tangy kacha aam popsicles with you. Let's get started. The first thing that we need for this recipe is 500 grams, which is about 6 of these small raw mangoes. We are going to peel them, roughly chop them and also discard the pit. Now usually when my mom makes Aam Panna concentrate, she would normally cook the mangoes with the peel and the pit. But just to make the process easier for ourselves, we are going to get rid of the peel and the pit at this stage. And now these go into a pan set over low heat with 1 cup of water. Now all we need to do is to cook these mangoes, and once you feel they've started cooking a little and becoming a little soft, you can add in 1 cup of sugar and continue to cook the mangoes. Now let's add in some flavor. I'm adding a teaspoon of sauce along with 2 pods of cardamom and about 4 peppercorns. After cooking the mangoes for about 7 to 8 minutes, you will see that they have broken down quite a bit. They've also become extremely soft and the mixture resembles almost like a jam. At this stage, you know your mangoes have cooked completely. You can take them off the heat and let them cool completely. Now let's transfer this cooled mixture into the jar of a blender with 1.5 cups of more water. We are also adding in some more spices like a pinch of roasted and ground jeera powder, a pinch of kala namak and a teaspoon of salt. My mom also likes to throw in about a cup of fresh mint leaves to pack the popsicles with a lot of freshness and flavor. All that is left to do now is to blend everything together and your Aam Panna mixture for the popsicles is ready. At this stage, I would highly recommend you taste the mixture, and if you feel it's too tangy for your taste, you could dilute it with some more water. And once you're good with it, you could pour it into popsicle mold. Now let's carefully pour the mixture into popsicle molds. This recipe gives you about 8 of these popsicles, so if you want to make a smaller batch, you could half all the ingredients and make about 4 popsicles. If you don't have popsicle molds, you could freeze the Aam Panna mixture in small glasses or katoris with ice cream sticks. And add in the ice cream sticks just like I'm doing it right here. The ice cream sticks are in and my popsicles are now ready for the freezer. I'm going to freeze them for about 6 to 8 hours. My popsicles have frozen completely and it's now time to pull them out carefully off the popsicle molds. These Aam Panna popsicles really remind me of Pulse candy, which I remember became extremely popular at a point. If you guys try this recipe out and if they remind you of Pulse candy as well, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys very soon with another very refreshing, simple summer special recipe. I'll see you soon. Until then, take care.